Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of DTF printing with 4 absolute beasts that have caught my eye. Whether you're running a print shop or just starting out with some DIY projects at home, these DTF printers are packing some serious heat when it comes to features and performance. We're talking speed, print quality, and reliability, all the good stuff. So, if you're ready to step up your printing game, let's get right into it. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, we're kicking things off with the MZK A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer, and let me tell you, this thing is built for speed. The MZK A3 Plus XP600 is designed to handle high-demand printing tasks with ease. Whether you're running a small business or just need a reliable printer for your creative projects, this machine won't let you down. I mean, we're talking double the printing speed compared to the L1800, which is already a pretty solid machine. Imagine cutting your printing time in half, allowing you to complete more projects in less time. This is a game changer for anyone who values efficiency and productivity. Now, speed is great and all, but what about the quality, right? You don't want to sacrifice the quality of your prints just to save a few minutes. Fortunately, the MZK A3 Plus XP600 delivers on both fronts. Well, the MZK A3 Plus doesn't disappoint there either. The print quality is exceptional, with vibrant colors and sharp details that make your design stand out. Whether you're printing photos, graphics, or text, you can expect professional-grade results every time. It's rocking a 5-inch LED multifunction touchscreen, which makes navigating the settings and options a breeze. This user-friendly interface allows you to easily adjust settings, preview your prints, and manage your print jobs without any hassle. Plus, it's got built-in white circulation to keep those prints looking crisp and clean. This feature ensures that your white ink remains fresh and prevents clogging, which can be a common issue with other printers, and automatic cleaning to make maintenance a non-issue. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your printer in top condition, and the MZK A3 Plus XP600 makes it easy with its automatic cleaning feature. This means less downtime and more time for printing, and as if that wasn't enough, MZK is even throwing in some gift ink and a 2-year supply to sweeten the deal. This generous offer ensures that you have everything you need to get started right away without any additional costs. I mean, talk about value. When you consider the speed, quality, and additional features, the MZK A3 Plus XP600 offers incredible value for its price. At $3,399, the MZK A3 Plus XP600 is definitely an investment, but it's one that pays off in the long run. The time and effort you save with this high-performance printer can translate into increased productivity and profitability. But if you're looking for a workhorse that can keep up with high-volume printing without sacrificing quality, this might just be your new best friend. The MZK A3 Plus XP600 is built to handle large print jobs with ease, making it an ideal choice for businesses and individuals who need a reliable and efficient printing solution. Next up, we've got the RocRow InkSonic R1390 DTF printer, and this one's all about versatility. The RocRow InkSonic R1390 is designed to meet the needs of a wide range of users, from hobbyists to professional print shops. Its ability to handle various printing tasks makes it a standout in the market. If you're into custom garment printing, this might be right up your alley. Imagine being able to print your own designs on t-shirts, hoodies, and other apparel with ease. The RocRow InkSonic R1390 makes this possible with its user-friendly interface and reliable performance. It supports a 3/13-inch wide DTF transfers, which gives you a decent amount of space to work with. This means you can create larger designs without compromising on quality. Whether you're printing a single large image or multiple smaller ones, the RocRow InkSonic R1390 has you covered, and it's compatible with a wide range of materials. From cotton to polyester and even more unique fabrics, this printer can handle it all. This versatility is what sets it apart from other printers in its class. So whether you're printing on cotton, polyester, or something a little more unique, the RocRow InkSonic can handle it. This flexibility allows you to experiment with different materials and find the perfect fit for your projects. Or something a little more unique, the RocRow InkSonic can handle it. This flexibility allows you to experiment with different materials and find the perfect fit for your projects. The RocRow InkSonic R1390 is not just about versatility in materials, but also in the quality of prints it produces. The printer ensures that every print is vibrant and detailed, making your design stand out. And just like the MZK, it also features a white ink circulation system with auto clean, because nobody wants to deal with clogged nozzles. This feature ensures that the printer remains in top condition, reducing maintenance time and costs, because nobody wants to deal with clogged nozzles. The auto clean function is a lifesaver, especially for those who use the printer frequently. It keeps the nozzles clean and ensures consistent print quality. But here's the kicker. The RocRow InkSonic R1390 comes in at a cool $2,099, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the MZK. This price point makes it accessible to a wider audience, from small business owners to individual creators, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the MZK. Despite its lower price, the RocRow InkSonic R1390 does not compromise on quality or features. It offers excellent value for money, making it a smart investment for anyone looking to get into DTF printing. Don't let the price fool you though. This printer is still packing some serious punch when it comes to features and performance. It delivers high-quality prints that are both vibrant and durable, ensuring that your designs look great and last long. This printer is still packing some serious punch when it comes to features and performance. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, the RocRow InkSonic R1390 is a reliable choice for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints with ease. Now, if you're looking for a printer that's all about productivity, the DSV DTF Printer A3Pro is here to answer your calls. This thing is designed for high-volume printing, capable of churning out over 10 pieces per hour. That's right, 10 pieces per hour. And it's not just about speed either. The DSV A3Pro is rocking an XP600 print head, which is known for its precision and reliability, and of course it wouldn't be a top contender without a white ink circulation system to keep those prints looking sharp, but DSV didn't stop there. They're also including a 2-year ink supply with this printer, so you can focus on what matters most, printing awesome stuff. And the best part? It's priced at $2,099, making it a serious contender in the value for money department. Last but not least, we have the Lancelot A3L1800 DTF transfer printing machine, and this one's for those who want the whole package. This machine is not just a printer, it's an entire ecosystem designed to meet all your DTF printing needs. I'm talking printer, oven, laptop, consumables, the works. Imagine having everything you need to start your DTF printing journey right at your fingertips. No more hunting for compatible accessories or worrying about missing components. It's a complete setup designed to get you up and running with DTF printing right out of the box. The Lancelot A3L1800 ensures that you can dive straight into your projects without any delays. And don't let the complete package thing fool you into thinking it's cutting corners on features. This machine is packed with advanced functionalities that make it a standout in the market. The Lancelot A3L1800 comes equipped with a roll feeder for continuous printing, which means you can handle large print jobs without constantly reloading paper. This feature alone can save you a significant amount of time and effort. A white ink circulation system for vibrant colors, ensuring that your prints are always bright and eye-catching. This system helps maintain the quality of your prints, making them look professional every time. And an intuitive design that makes it easy to use, even for beginners. The user-friendly interface means you won't have to spend hours learning how to operate the machine. Instead, you can focus on creating stunning designs. Even if you're new to the world of DTF printing, the Lancelot A3L1800 is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. Plus, it's compatible with both dark and light clothing, giving you the flexibility to print on a variety of materials. This versatility is perfect for those who want to experiment with different types of garments, so you can let your creativity run wild. Whether you're printing custom t-shirts, hoodies, or other apparel, the Lancelot A3L1800 can handle it all. At $2,999, the Lancelot A3L1800 is a bit pricier than some of the other options on this list. However, it's important to consider what you're getting for that price. But when you consider everything you're getting, it's hard to argue with the value proposition. The comprehensive package, advanced features, and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about DTF printing. The Lancelot A3L1800 is not just a printer, It's a complete solution that can help you take your printing business to the next level. From the moment you unbox it, you'll see the attention to detail and quality that has gone into its design. It's hard to argue with the value proposition. So, if you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one DTF printing solution, the Lancelot A3L1800 should definitely be on your radar.
Yeah!
So there you have it, folks. Those are my top picks for the best DTF printers of 2025. From speed demons to versatility kings and everything in between, there's a printer on this list for every need and budget. If you're serious about stepping up your printing game, whether it's for business or pleasure, I highly recommend checking out these machines. As always, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which printer you're most excited about. Until next time, peace out.